Welcome to my room tour of the Park Hyatt Buenos Aires, a stunning property and a National Historic Monument. This place has so much history. Originally built in 1934 as a neoclassical palace, it was beautifully restored and reopened as a hotel in 2006. The hotel is split into two unique parts, the historic palace and a sleek contemporary buildings, all tied together by a gorgeous garden and even an underground art gallery. Today we are checking out the Alvear Suite in the palace. It is the second most expensive room in the hotel. Thanks to our global list status and a suite award, we were upgraded to this incredible suite. The contemporary building has 165 rooms, but the real gem is the palace, which offers an exclusive experience with just 23 luxurious suites. And now let's explore the beautiful hotel grounds. Breakfast is served in the both historic and the modern buildings, but there's a difference. The historic building offers a la carte only, while the modern buildings has both a buffet and a la carte options. So we decided to head to the modern building for more varieties.